This dance is called Nightfalls. It's a 32 counts, 4-4, high beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Step right to right. Step left behind right, sweeping right from front to back. Weave to the left. Right foot behind, side cross. Left, side rock, recover. Weave to the right. Left foot behind, side cross. Section 2. Right foot, side, touch. Left foot, back, touch. Right foot, heel grind, pull to turn right, stepping back on left foot, facing 3. Right foot, rock back, recover. Section 3, step right forward, point left to left, press left forward, recover onto right, sweeping left, behind, side, touch. Take weight onto left, popping right knee forward. Take weight onto right foot, popping left knee forward. Section 4. Left foot, side together. Lock, step forward. Step, lock, step. Step right forward. Pivot half, turn left, weight onto left foot, facing 9. Walk forward, right, left. And begin the dance again, facing the 9 o'clock wall. Let's do the counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's no taps, no restarts in this dance.